Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a nice artichoke dip or spread, really, that you can serve on this coming holiday weekend. You know how people come in, whether you're having a few guests or a lot of guests, and they're starving. They don't want to wait until your barbecue or whatever you're fixing is ready. So I've already started on this. This is 1 can of, I used Great Northern beans. The recipe just says white beans. So that's what I've got. This is 15.5 ounces. You can use navy beans or any other type of bean you want. And down in the very bottom that you probably can't see, down here, I've got 2 12-ounce jars of artichokes. That's what it took to make 2 cups for me. I zested 1 lemon. Half of it is going into this jar. I put the zest of the entire lemon in here. And I slice the lemon in half, and half of the lemon is going into the actual mixture. That's about all that's coming out of there. Alright, now the next thing is 1/4 cup of olive oil, and this is extra virgin. I just got that everywhere. I'm gonna have to add a little more because I messed that up pretty bad. 1/4 cup of olive oil, and it said the recipe said a big pinch of salt. So I'm going to put maybe 1/4 teaspoon of salt in here. I mean, if it needs more, I can add it, but I surely don't want to add too much in the beginning. Now, this is a Vitamix. You all don't have to have a Vitamix or use a Vitamix. You can use a regular blender. It'll probably take longer to get this smooth. You're going to process it until it is smooth. And when that happens, I'll bring you back. Right, I got it all smoothed out in there. They said you could leave it a little chunky or you could make it smooth, and I made mine smooth. Now you take a spoon and you smooth out the top of this, and you start making a little trench in it like that. I ended up having to add more salt, I have to tell you. I probably added about 1/2 teaspoon. Then you're going to take the other half of the lemon and squeeze it on top. Got a seed in there, I'll have to get that out. Let's see. There we go. And then you're going to take about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and that also goes in the little trench. And don't think this is hummus. It's not hummus. This is an artichoke spread or dip. So there you are. That is it. And for your hungry little guests, now I did tell you that I drained everything. I drained the artichokes, and I also rinsed them. and let them drain from that. And I did the same with the white beans. Here's our dip. Along with this, I fixed a little plate. I'm going to have to move out some. You can't really see everything that's on it, can you? Alright, let's move out. Got our dip. I've got some wheat woven crackers. This is naan. And here's some cheese for your crackers. Or you can dip your naan in here. Good. That's one little tray. Let me move that aside. Oh, don't forget the toothpicks. Alright, then I've got this one. Seedless grapes, wash them. But don't just wash them, snip them in little sizes that people can just grab it and not have to pull your grapes off and touch everything. Don't forget the toothpicks. Here's some Mediterranean olives, some cheese. This is a sharp cheddar. These are pita chips right here. And the other cheese was very different also. It is it's a horseradish cheddar. So there you are. You're all fixed up. Your hungry guests have something to snack on. Trying to get everything in here. The recipe for the dip, of course, will be down below. And I hope you all enjoy it. Have a great long weekend. Thank you for stopping by and spending part of your time with me. A little part of your day. Please give me a thumbs up. That means so much to me. And leave a comment if you've tried it and liked it. Leave me a little comment. Until next time, you all take care.